Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that after making a high of 3790, gold is showing signs of retracement. And as we have already discussed previously also, that retracement or correction was extremely important. Though we have seen a retracement on the chart of gold, but still it is not enough because all the markets around the world move in a zigzag pattern. Why? Because of demand and supply, and gold was arrogant. Gold never listens to anyone, and gold was just going up and up. But obviously at one point there will be profit booking, there will be some correction. Okay, let's hope that we will see some more correction on the chart of gold. Okay, but still we cannot predict the market. We just need to react as per the market movement. And if you look at a daily chart of gold, my dear friends, this is a daily chart and you can see gold is still standing at the high. Okay, and the retracement that we have seen on gold is not enough. We need more retracement so that positional traders, swing traders get better entry. Because buying here as a swing trade or positional trade, okay, is not a good thing. Okay, if you are a positional trader, swing trader, you need further retracement or correction. At least we need gold around 3600, but nobody knows whether gold will come or not. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, and let's discuss, okay, where are the trading opportunities right now. So we are back on the 15-minute chart of gold, and you can see that we have many lines. So let's try to understand them one by one. First of all, we need to keep our eyes on 3700. 3700 is going to play a crucial role. As long as gold is trading above 3700, the retracement is not enough, and you can say that gold will be more or less bullish. So as long as market is trading about 3700, it is better and safer for us to look for buy positions only. 3700 is a crucial level, so obviously you can easily guess that it is a good support and we can look for a buy position. 3700 to 3705. This is the strongest support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If you're a beginner, unable to understand the logic, then the logic is simple. Previous resistance will be working as support here, and 3700 is a round number psychological level as well. Okay, so these are the reasons why 3700 is a strong support, but 3700 is far away. So if we need immediate levels, then you can also expect gold to take support around 38, 3738, 3737, around this area. Why? The blue line here, okay, the blue line here, you can see market has taken support previously, and right now you can clearly see that this selling pressure is not very high. In a situation like this, definitely we can expect gold to take support and bounce. If it does, we can go for a trade with a TP1, first TP of 80 pips. If market continues the upside, you can go for 151, 130, 140 pips as well. But easily, okay, we can look for a 70 to 80 pips target around 38 if market takes support. Okay. Suppose you see a candle like this, big red candle like this at 38, and obviously you need to use a common sense, avoid buying because no level is permanent. But 38 is a good level in a market like this where we can expect a good bounce. Okay, where is the second support? The second support is around 27, 3727, the dotted line here. Okay, the dotted line here, okay, is also a support on the chart of gold. But one thing you need to keep in mind is that, okay, there is a high chance if 39 acts as the support, then 27 may not provide the support. If 38 fails as a support, then you can expect 27 to act as support. Means there's a high chance that only one will be able to provide support to the market, either 38 or 27. If market bounces from 38, then avoid 27. Okay, next time there's a high chance. Okay, if it does take support, then that's a different story, but they are quite near to each other, so I feel that if 38 works, 27 may not work. Okay, and if market breaks 38 directly, then there's a high chance that 27 will act as support to the market. So 38, 27 are two support levels, and the third is around 18, 3718, the green line here. the logic is simple. Market is taken support around this area previously, so we are considering 3718, 3716 to provide support to the market. So on the chart of gold, okay, we are expecting market to bounce around 38 or 27, then 18, 16 and 370005 area. So these are the four support levels on the chart of gold where we are expecting buy. Though market is showing signs of retracement, but the overall chart is still bullish. Gold is still standing at the top. Okay, the trend is not bearish yet, so we are looking for buy positions only. As I have already mentioned, that 3700 is going to play a crucial role. Okay, if market breaks 3700 by the US session, then we can expect the market to continue the correction for next 2-3 days. So if a correction comes below 3700, as a day trader, we can look for a sell below 3700 temporarily. Yes, only on temporary basis. Because you need to keep in mind, you should not forget that fundamentally gold is bullish and this chart is obviously bullish. Okay, whatever we will witness on the chart of gold will be just a technical correction, nothing fundamental. Because if we look at the articles also, okay, we can see gold is just lower on likely technical correction. We do not have any strong fundamental reason that will change the direction of the market for the next few weeks. Okay. And at the top, obviously, okay, we can look for a buy and breakout above 3792. But chances of market going above 3792 is very less, and 92 is also a little far away. If you are a day trader, okay, if you can afford to take some risk, then you can also look for a buy above this particular area, 7172. If you're a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, okay, if you have experience, you can afford to take risk, then you can look for a buy above 7172. Personally, I'm not sure whether I'm going to take it or not. Okay, maybe, okay, I will be going for a buy at pullback when 7172 will become the new support. But as of now, okay, there is a little chance of taking a buy above 7172. But if your experience says you can go for a buy above 7170, you can go for it. But for gold to continue the upside, we need a breakout above 92, or in simple words, we need a breakout above 3800. So let's wait and watch. Okay, and if you are wondering what is the trend of the market, just keep in mind overall trend of the market is still bullish. If we witness some selling also during the day, or if market continues the downside also, it will just be a temporary technical correction, because market has been very bullish for a long time. Obviously, a correction retracement is due. 3700, let's wait and watch how does it act. Okay, and if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in your free Telegram community. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.